Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Wifey and Ari. So today we're going to be unboxing, once again, Snack Crate. So, before I get started, once again, if you guys want to get a discount on your first box or any other box, use the code on the link down below. So my guess, well, I kind of told her, I knew we were going to get Korea, because it says in the name in the box, it says Any Young Haseyo Christian, my name. So I googled it, obviously because I don't know Korean, and it says hello Christian, so that pretty much gave it away. So we're gonna open it, and yup, I was right, Korea. So, there's a bunch of little papers. Huh.
Origami.
Origami. Oh.
Origami paper.
Oh, that makes. It tells you how to do it right here. Look. That's why they give you all this little papers, you know. We'll probably do that later.
With Lily.
How to make a Korean Dakaji. So this is. Yep. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. That's how it looks. Okay. Let's see this. Alright, the first thing I want to try are these. You guys know how to read Korean? So, well, Mom opens them if she can.
You open them.
Okay, these are called Magoo. Try one of Crown's 4 very best crunchy sweet snacks. Enjoy either the shisangs, lollipops, churros, or corn chips. I don't know which one are these. Look like churros.
Maybe churros. Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna try. You're gonna open it. Okay. There you go. They're churros. They look like churros. Oh, they smell like churros. Oh, before you see. Focus on this.
Oh, was I not supposed to eat it?
Not yet, but. Oh, there it is. Focus. Tastes like churros. What do you think it tastes like?
Like that honey graham cereal. It only has cinnamon.
Rate them though.
Churros have cinnamon.
1 to 10.
7.
I give it a 10.
I could live without it.
No, I could live with it. It's super good. I'll put this right here. Alright, you want to do the next one?
This one.
Oh. Next one is this. There we go. Yeah. They're called Pupushu Pupush. Not even lying. Pupushu Pupush. So it's don't cook it. A favorite Korean snack involves crunchiness. Oh, sorry. A favorite Korean snack involves crunching the noodles in the bag and then covering the noodles and the flavor included. So not cooked. See?
I used to do that in elementary school.
See? That's how you do it. I used to do it all the time, even if you had to cook it.
Well, I feel like it's going to be the same thing. So what's the flavor?
I don't know how to do it again.
Here's your special bag. Probably like
Chicken. Noodles.
oh yeah, it's the chicken one.
Well, am I supposed to crunch it first?
Something.
Bro, you're supposed to crunch it first, then pour the thing. Threw it all over me.
Threw me all over me.
Threw it all over me. Oh my god, so we're having a... I'll have this part of the chicken.
What's the shit stuff in there? See, it's gonna be worth the whole bag.
Look at this. You know.
They're still all there.
I mean, it's good. It's like ramen noodles.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Or was the same thing?
It's the same thing that we used to do in elementary school.
Wow, I thought maybe it tasted different. Oh my, it's making a big old mess. It's good though. Just because it's the same thing, give it a 10. 1 out of 10, 10.
I never really liked it, so like a 4.
Then why you keep eating it?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, usually they talk with. Alright, you choose.
Custard.
The custard cake, a light sweet sponge cake filled with a rich creamy custard. A popular Korean dessert snack that is good to eat any time of the day.
It's like a Twinkie, I feel.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a Twinkie.
It's like Twinkie.
It is a Twinkie. It's a round Twinkie.
Oh, you gonna bite it or you gonna have?
But it's yellow. Back.
Let's have yellow inside.
Well, custard's yellow. It's a Twinkie. But like less sugar.
I get on a 4. Kind of tastes like banana. The heck is that?
0.
Oh,
Ugh.
that was weird. Alright, next one.
Moon pie.
This is-
Yeah. It's like a moon pie.
It's called Choco Pie. Oh, that looks delicious.
Hopefully.
It's a Choco Pie. Hold it. There's a Choco Pie. This marshmallow pie are adored by all Koreans. They are regularly smuggled into North Korea where they are as good as cash. And they smuggle these?
Smuggle?
That's what it is. Choco Pie. You get smuggled these? Oh, I used to have some of these like in Mexico, dude. Mexicans used to have these. I forgot what they call them in Mexico. Mm-hmm. This is good.
Tastes stale.
Always tastes it. This one's a 10.
2.
For me, it's a 10.
Then finish it.
Well, almost. Let's do how much next. You choose the next one.
It's a cookie.
This one?
I don't know.
Oh, this one.
That one.
Butter waffle.
Really?
This one?
No. I don't know. Oh, I think it's that one. Right? It's a cookie.
Oh, we'll show the camera.
No. No.
Close it. Close it.
Oh. I guess this one. No, that one's this one. It's not on here.
Latte.
Oh well, it's not on here.
It's a margarita cookie.
It's a cookie.
Yeah, it's a cookie.
Yeah. It's just a vanilla cookie. You need this with like coffee. It has like no flavor at all. I don't like that. Brandy.
Is that the pepper white cookie?
No. You want it?
No.
You want it? Come here.
Which one is this?
You
Don't
can have
get so
it.
dark.
I didn't like it.
Okay, what if it's like...
It doesn't have chocolate. She's fine.
Oh,
If she doesn't eat it, I'm gonna laugh.
I don't like it. Alright, I'll go something.
Look, she didn't like it. She didn't like it.
Oreo jelly. Gummies. Show my face. This is my gummy grapes. Sweet and authentic grape flavored gummies that will surely satisfy your sweet tooth. This is not your typical gummy treat. Right there. Try these.
Your daddy making too much noise.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you want these? They look like grapes. Yeah, it tastes like grapes.
Fuchi. Smells like medicine.
Yeah.
It's a grape gummy.
Hmm?
Like a
5.
gummy. 4,
5.
4,
It's a
3,
gummy.
2, 1, get down.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. Okay, butter waffles.
Oh, that's the butter waffle. Everything you love about a waffle smothered in butter. The version is made to take the go. Try this crunchy snack for breakfast. Oh. Good.
It says, have a good time with the butter waffles of Crown.
What's really coming? Alex. Butter waffles. Alright, open it.
Is it literally just like a waffle cone?
Oh, it is.
Oh, it broke. Yeah.
It is literally like a
It's
waffle
just
cone.
a waffle cone. Yeah. With ice cream.
It's like the cone from an ice cream. Butter
Waffle
waffle.
cone.
Yeah.
That's a 9. I love waffle cones.
Alright, next one is a cookie. Another cookie. It's chocolate chip cookie.
It's chic Choco Tiramisu. Soft and chewy coffee flavored cookie with chunks of chocolate chips and cream cheese. A sweet and decadent delicacy. I like cream cheese. Ooh.
Bro. This is just like a giant
Giant cookie.
splash pile of poop.
Oh, but it has chocolate on the bottom. It's like chocolate covered.
Or it melts in your hands.
Ah!
Smells like coffee.
I love coffee.
Tastes like coffee. Pretty much coffee in a cookie.
It's like, it feels like they like dipped a cookie in chocolate.
I give it an 8. Right. Go for it. Next one.
6.
Here's coffee.
Ooh.
Apúrale. Oh. You know? They're called baked potato sticks. Thin, crunchy sticks flavored with butter and salt and taste like undeniable, delicious baked potato. Bet you can't stop at one. I bet you I can.
So a package in a package. That's a
Oh,
way.
this is how I came. She doesn't show you guys. I came.
These kind of look like the ones that were in the last crate,
No, yeah.
in the turkey crate. The little.
But these are Korean. All right. Let me get
Ow.
one. Damn, she don't want to share.
They're hard.
They're hard. So she said.
What you wish she said. I can't really taste it after that chocolate. Wait. That tastes like old.
Yeah, I don't like this. I can stop at half. You were wrong. Whoever said that. You know, I'm putting this on back in the box. I didn't like that one. I'll give that one a -10.
Oh, look, it's like Pocky Sticks. Pokey Sticks.
Bro, it's my turn, bro. Oh, sorry. Pepero white cookies, crunchy biscuits, steaks dipped in creamy white chocolate and covered in small cookie crumbles. You can't get enough of this Korean classic.
I like the little bear.
I know, dude. Look at that little bear. Look at that. Doesn't that look like me?
Oh, these are good.
Bro. There's a little white bag. I didn't break all down. I broke it. Wait, let me show the go with camera.
They know what they look like.
Yep. I'll give these a 10. These are like
9.
these are real big. Wait, save that one for that.
Yeah.
Yep, hold it. This is your yogwa.
Well, what?
Yogwa. Am I saying that?
I think so.
The most traditional Korean cookie made of honey flour and toasted rice. You are sure to find the snack during any holiday celebration. If I didn't see that right.
Smells like
Yogwa. Yogwa. Yogwa.
Smells like plastic.
Wow. It's like, oh, dude, it's like a Rice Krispie.
No.
Yeah.
No.
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 It's not like a Rice Krispie. It tastes nothing like a Rice
Is it
Krispie.
gross?
No, it's pretty good. Just spit it out. I mean, it's not that bad.
That's not okay. Ugh.
Yeah, I'll get on that one.
That doesn't even get a 1. More like
Nope.
negative. Ooh, I think it's a gum.
Oh, wait. That one is... Dun, dun, dun. Secom dalcom. Secom dalcom. A fruit chew with a sweet and sour kick. An additional candy found all over Korea. Try either grape, peach, strawberry, or lemonade.
We got the strawberry.
So we got this strawberry. That one. That looks cool. I like the little design.
All their little characters are always so cute.
Korea and Japan. Japan. I mean, this is Korea. Well, I'm saying Korea and Japan. They're all
I didn't hear that.
adorable. Adorbs.
Totes adorps.
Totes adorbs. Oh, damn, she didn't even take the paper off.
But you left me.
I trusted you. Yeah. Like strawberry.
I can't get one.
So you got a strawberry. Alright. Meanwhile, we're eating that. I'm gonna try to do one of these. Alright guys, so that was the video. Hope you guys like it. Leave a comment and make sure you guys use that code to get your own box. Overall, the Korean box was pretty good. I liked it. It was our second box. And then she didn't like it. But I like it, so let's see what we get in the next month. Alright guys, have a good one.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.